In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide participants on Zoom. If you want to make meetings look cleaner and reduce visible participant profile images, Zoom has a setting that lets you hide participant profile pictures during a meeting. This can be useful for privacy, consistency, or simply creating a less distracting meeting layout. I'll walk you through that exactly where to find that option in your Zoom account settings. To get started, open Zoom in your browser and go to your account area. Once you're signed in, click on My Account. This is where Zoom keeps your personal and meeting-related settings, so it's the right place to begin if you want to adjust how meetings appear. After that, click on Settings. The Settings page is where Zoom organizes all of its controls for meetings, recordings, and other account preferences. If you don't see the option right away, just stay on this page and follow along, because the setting we need is inside the Meeting Configuration section. Next, click on Meeting. This section contains the features that control what happens before and during your Zoom calls. Since hiding participant profile pictures affects the in-meeting experience, this is exactly where you need to be. Once you're in the meeting settings area, click on In-Meeting Basic. Zoom groups its options into categories, and this basic in-meeting section includes several controls related to what participants can see and do during a call. Opening the correct category helps you avoid searching through unrelated settings. Now scroll down through the list of available meeting options. There are quite a few settings in this section, so take your time and look carefully. You're looking for the option labeled Hide Participant Profile Pictures in a Meeting. When you find it, toggle it on. Once the switch is enabled, Zoom will hide participant profile pictures during meetings. This is especially helpful if you want a more uniform visual presentation or if you're trying to limit unnecessary on-screen personal details. After turning it on, the change should save automatically in most cases, so you usually won't need to click a separate save button. Still, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the toggle remains enabled before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Zoom setting to hide participant profile pictures in a meeting.